Right now, we're going to dinner with our husbands. As usual, of course, we're like kind of running a little bit late and a frenzied, hurried mess.
That's true.
And it's so perfect that we partnered with Beautycounter because they have actually organized our makeup routine into a quick, easy, like few pieces that you can do in 5 minutes. So we're a little bit competitive, so we're actually going to race each other and see who can apply the Flawless in 5 better within the 5 minutes.
All bets are over here. Well, I'm gorgeous already.
Concealer, all done?
Yep.
Next step, brow.
Some of us already have perfect brows.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Mascara.
Oh, unfair, Clea.
Listen, Joanna, you too could pay for lashes, okay? Blush.
Okay, very heavy-handed.
Lip.
Oh God, I just got on my tooth.
All right, pencils down. Honestly, it's annoying, but you did a really good job.
Thanks.
I'm like kind of shocked. We gotta go.
Okay, bye.